A, O, do. Even if, although. It means the result doesn't change regardless of what happens in the first clause. For vowel endings a and o, we use a do. For example, oda becomes vado. For other vowel endings, we use o do. For example, mogda. It becomes mogodo. For hada ending verbs, we use he do. For example, undong hada. It becomes undong hedo. Let's understand this using some examples. Pesado sayo. Even if it is expensive, I buy it. Phiga vado khayo. Even if it rains, I go. Shilpe hedo thashi heyo. Even if I fail, I try again. Phiga vado yohen khalko yeyo. Even if it rains, I will go on the trip. Nujodo chonwa halgo yeyo. Even if I am late, I will call you.